We're 1.5 weeks away from a move-in. So you can see we've got appliances are all installed now, lighting fixtures are in. We've got pretty much everything ready to go in the island. The electricians have been working their butts off. The plumbers have been working their butts off. Everybody's been really pulling together to get this house done. It's a little quiet here this morning, but people will be showing up shortly, I'm told. So anyways, this is where things are at. I'm really excited with where things are going to be by the end of the week. Tomorrow, the cleaners come in to do our first clean. We have the cleaners come in a week before we turn the project over to our client so that we can do an internal walkthrough and identify any deficiencies that need to be addressed prior to turning the project over to our clients. So we give ourselves a week to have our trades, painters, plumbers, electricians, whomever, come back through the house and clean things up, fix things up before we actually give the project over to the clients. This allows us to make sure that the inside of the home is in mint condition prior to the homeowners moving in. That's what we do. Stay tuned for the next videos.